Kidos, look at them. Oh, look. Tingnan mo. Diba? Happy birthday. We'll dance to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Bago ang lahat, pasasalamatan ko kayo lahat ng surprise birthday. Na-surprise talaga ako
Dito ka, ayun o. Ayun o. Kanta tayo. Kanta ulit.
I love you all! Masaya at natin kayo lahat.
No hit. Hindi ka na namin sinabihan. Ako marites ko eh.
Ba? Yung mga apo, nandiyan lang.
Isa-isa. Isa-isa ka na lang.
Bigyan mo na sa akin.
Lalo na ang bago na ang inanak natin, no? Looking forward. Paano yung pasalubong niya? Wala. Okay, thank you for this gift of surprise. You didn't surprise me. I just go to the dental clinic of Angelito, not knowing that we are looking forward for the restaurant Seda or Soler, as mentioned by Auntie Angelito. And at any rate, thank you. Surprise ako and I love you all. I love you too. Okay, mga apo
Ang sarap ng 27.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hep hep. Hooray. God is good. All the time. Yay! Siyempre, for the love of Kondani. Kiss, 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 kiss. Wow! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. brother. Sipping ng cake.
Come again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Halika.
Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
That is good.
110?
Haba ng birthday yan. Ay, Ate Melde, dapat yung babae.
Ay, yan. Ayun din. Donya.
go!
Donya. One more time. Kailangan mabilis muna.
Light it up again.
Ang mga big time, ang mga big time.
From China ba? Yeah.
Tan, 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 tan.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, again.
Replay.
Apan, ba't na pinibente na ito? Another wish. Ano, video? That video ba?
Whoa.
Okay. How about the word from the birthday celebrant?
May nakata nito.
Okay, birthday mo. Okay.
Gusto ko pong samantalahin yung pagkakataon na to to express our gratitude to our Mega Branch branch. Balik Pampanga branch, thank you so much for your all-out support during my natal day. And also, on the other hand, okay, sa ating mga siblings, no, who in one way or another make my stay in the Philippines possible. A success and looking forward for another year of birthday celebration. Muchas gracias, amigos, amigas.
Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hooray! That's good award. See, award. God is good.
All the time.
All the time. God is good. Yay!
Memorize na niyo.
Yes, it's a family reunion with my best siblings. Love you. Now, yes, we're getaway to Davao with the siblings.
I need Davao. I need. Kondane wasang tingin. I need that. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Ito, oh, everybody will see this. RD Wyatt, Davao. Oh, di ba? So, ito yung mga pogi, magaganda, mga kapatid. Ito, oh. Ito, oh. We had the chance to see Davao again. Ito na, oh. Tingnan nyo naman ang place na to. Oh, look at this. So, tall trees. At least napipreserve, Although sabi nga, this was previous Davao Insular Hotel. Now, it's a waterfront. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, oh. This is priceless, oh. Talagang, water yung front na talaga. Ay, nice. Kasi yan, no? Tingnan mo. Our favorite Davao. Ito, di ba? Sana yan, makita natin si... Yan. Ayan, Oh, okay. Say hi. Now, we're eating in early breakfast sa Cafe Uno. Thank you, Bang. Thank you, Doc Lito, for your treat. Thank you so much. We're getting inside. Wow, look at the place, the ambience. Wow, we'll check it out kung ano yung food nila. Wow. Hot cake, egg, and this is scrambled egg. Wow. Oh. Merong muffin, hot dogs, and this is kids corner, Pang ano to, But when you're a senior, oh, this is white rice. Ayun si Doc Paulo. Oh, this is another rice. Oh.
This is baked beans. Wow, vegetable. Sobrang ano to, heavy yan. Wow. Mga fish fritters yun. Fish. And this is chicken adobo. Wow, this is corned beef. Corned beef. Ito yung favorite. Kaya ito yung with suka. Oh. Ito yung danggit. That's it. Oh. This is pork ham. And of course, there's a pork casino.
Hi. We're going, inside the waiting muna sa Samal Shores kami, Discovery Samal. Sasakay kami ng boat. Hello. Say hi. Hello. We're in the Discovery waiting area. So ito yon, lilipat kami sa shoreline later. And then, punta kami sa ibang island.
After 20 minutes ride ng ito, nandito na kami sa island. Going to Discovery Sama. I'm very able to reach Discovery Hotel. Excited. Finally, we're here. A welcome drink.
So tonight is the night dito sa Discovery Samal Island. Fish ba to? Okay. Fish ka no? Tempura station natin. Oh, this is steak. Yun naman steak natin. Okay. This is ready for this one. Ay ba yun?
Green ko yan.
Okay. Ay, ano yung fish mo?
We have tuna belly, chicken, beef, squid, tsaka shrimp.
Okay.
Yes po. But
Tuna.
Yes,
Tuna belly ati daw. Ay, ito. This one, potato. Wow, what a beautiful rendition naman. Nag-entertain na to. It's a beautiful night. This is still a continuation of the birthday celebration of Kondan. Thank you for the treat. Enjoy your stay.
Lucille, don't
Oh, sisters just want to have fun. Oh, that's laugh lang. This is for fun.
Bye. Hello vlog. It's our second day here, Saturday. Ito, pasyal na muna kami before taking our dinner. Ate. Yeah, it's our day 2 here. Ito na. We're in the morning catch. Wow, beautiful. Ate, tali. Mag-ano kami. Breakfast. This is so beautiful. Just showing you again this other part of Discovery hotel. Pero ang ganda ba? O pwede magano dito? Dito ba? Ay, ang ganda.
Ali, kami. Ay, mali po tayo.
Oh, say hi, say hi.
Bakit?
Oo, hi, ang ganda naman dito. Ano, ato, yan, nag-enjoy si ate, oh. Oh, ano when you say seashore, shoreline, meron coastal naman daw.
Another one daw.
Sinide, hello, say hi. Oh, hello, oh, yan. Ilang buwan na, oh, yan. Wow. So, ito kami, dito kami ito yung nakabook. Oh, yan. So, oh, yan, Hello, yan, oh, hello. Ito yung mga
Had much fun sa swimming. Look at us. Naku, yan. Naka-raise na hand.
Ay, naku, ang dami ng marang. Oh, this is the proof that we are in Davao. Wow! Ay, ba't ganun, ha? Ganun ba?
Malaga?
Ah, tinan mo si Paolo Pogi, oh, nako. Gusto pala yung ano, oh. Jeff niya. Wow, sige. Ako si Doc Lito, oh. Ang dami, oh. Oh, how are you there? Wow. Ibang ano naman yan, ambience, Iba na naman, oh. Ibang klase, oh. At least, sobrang daming views na ano natin, oh. Pinupuntahan. Oh, yun. Pwede daw mag-dinner doon, eh. Oo. Ako by order, no? Pero same din, Amparo rin. Wow. Ito, ang ganda. Ito,
Oh, we're having fun. Together we make best memories. Sisters in love.
Hi, guys! Wave lang po. Nakaano po tayo, vlog tayo, RDY. Magpa-viral po ito.
Top of the mountain, glittering elsewhere, but beautiful.
Dito ko nagkakain.
Overlooking.
Overlooking na. Ang city, ah. So, eto na. I'm back, RDY at home now. RDY at Davao at Mayor Digong's place. Ay, President Digong. So, kasama yung balikbayan. Hello, say hi. Ito yung mga loyal na natin. Ito yung loyal ni So, pa-picture tayo dito. Ito, ano dyan man, no? Sipin mo, President, no? Ito lang yung picture, niya, bahay. Ito siya, ito yung bahay. Ay, hello. Mayor Digong, hello po. Kumusta kayo? Nako, namimiss namin kayo.
Wow, ito yung motor ni President Duterte. Kasal kami.
Now, we finally arrived at the Coastal Road. Coastal Road.
Yes po.
Oh, so beautiful.
Doon kayo dadaan ang travel with the traffic. Abutin ng from downtown to Turil. Abutin kayo ng 1 hour.
Ano ba yan? Bahay ba yung mga yan?
Ano po yan? Yung mga fish cage. Yung mga ano. Oo, yan. Tingnan niyo
Ay,
po
mga
yun. Ang
fish
ganda. Yan. Tingnan mo.
Ay, sino ay galing saan yan?
Eh, dito. Part ng aakyat tayo.
Ay, wow.
Yes.
Ito ba yung ginawa niya, no?
Yes po.
Ni Duterte?
Yes.
Ay, di dapat.
Yeah, we're boarded now and ready to go home. Bye for now, Davao. Thank you for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe.